Rolling. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Hi guys! Welcome to YouTube. Hi guys, this is Kat. Hi, this is Kat. Welcome to me. Kat, ang laki naman ng mukha ko dun. 1, 2, 3. Hi guys! My name is Kat. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Decided to make siomai and pancit. Just a brief background, may mga colleagues ako work na kumahanda for me to order kasi it was my birthday last week. I've decided, instead of me ordering food from outside, why not make them some food from home? Pancit and siomai. But what I'm gonna be showing you is how to make siomai wrapper from scratch. Kasi most of you would actually never imagine na pwede pala siyang gawin from scratch at home lang. Why would you need to spend, money? So, I'll go and show you how to make, again, siomai wrapper from scratch. That sounds so good, right? This is how you're gonna do it. Let's start! Alright, so now, ito yung mga gagamitin natin. We are gonna be needing flour, and then water, and with the salt diluted in it. So yun lang. Walang sukat-sukat ng mga beshies. Kailangan lang natin ng tansya. Because, hindi ako professional na cook or chef. So, yan lang kaya kong gawin. Tumansya. So, if you feel like it's enough na, I would normally have the same amount of flour. Kaya siya ng 50. But I need to make palamon of 100 people. Joke. I need to make palamon of 10 people. So, I'll make it more this time. Kasi nag-demand sila, gusto nila tigta 10 pieces ng siomai daw bawat. So, kapag mukha diba? Dami-damihan natin ng konti. So, I guess it's enough. Sana makagawa siya ng mga 100 pieces na wrapper. Oops. Okay, set aside. So, you have the flour in here. Make a well at the center. And then you gradually put the water. Dahan-dahan lang mga besh. Ay, iyon. So, nalunod siya. Again, I'm not a professional cook. Ay, iyon nga. So, wala problema naman mga besh. Andito si Arina. Tamokin mo lang siya pag ganyan. Okay na yan. Then, imasa mo lang talaga ng bongga. Ang sikreto, nasa masa. Sa pagmamasa. Ayan. Dahan-dahan. Hanggang sa makover na ng water yung flour ng very, very light. Pakita ko mamaya-maya kung ano magiging itsura niya dapat. So, sa mga hindi pa nagbibihis, galing office, ako po kayo. Kaya maglala. Magpupunta na agad ng kusina. Magluluto na kaagad. Buhay OFW nga naman. Charot. So, at the middle of it, at times, na you feel like it's not actually happening, yung consistency na gusto mo for the wrapper, don't lose hope, mga kabayan. Charot. Mga beshi, tuloy lang ang pagmamasa. So, ayan na. Malapit na tayo sa katotohanan. Yung mga isang araw pa, kalahati, mabubuo na natin.
Isang araw pa.
Ayan, medyo flaky na siya. So, meaning we're, approaching the reality. Very, very soon po. Che! Magulo. Yeah. Hindi mo ako matutokso, Victoria.
Ay! Nakuha na din yung pera eh.
Nakuha na rin na. Napanood ka na. Talino si Tibag eh. Nanggigigil ako eh. We're almost finished, guys! Oh, I actually forgot to say, you make sure that you clean your countertop. So ako, nilagyan ko siya ng alcohol. Joke. Basta malinis naman siya. And then later on, iinitin mo din naman yung siomai, diba? Yung mga matay yung bacteria. Sige lang, masa pa more. Naubos ko na yung flour sa countertop ko. Then I stop. And then itong dough na nagawa nyo. So, ang tawag dito ay dough. Ganito yung magiging itsura niya. So, you make sure na smooth yung top niya. And then, what would you do? Just have to cover this. So, kuha na ng cling wrap, tapos i-cover mo lang siya. And keep it for about, set it aside for about 13 minutes and so. And that's gonna help your dough to actually stick together. So, I'll go to the grocery store and buy the things that I need para sa filling and all. Later, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya i-roll ng maliit na bilog para maging siomai wrapper. Good evening! Hi guys, we're going to the grocery store. And yeah, we have this little trolley to help us later. More than 2 hours, I guess, or 3 hours na nakatambak na siya. It's time for us to roll it. Para maging wrapper na siya. The use of this rolling thing, small but very powerful. We're gonna be rolling this into circle and also cornstarch para hindi magdikit-dikit yung gagawin natin. So, let's go ahead and start now. You still need this plastic, by the way, to cover yung mga ikakat nyo later. So you're gonna cut them into smaller pieces. You got one big mass. Cut it into 2 para mas manageable. Make it 4 actually. So with this piece, I'm gonna roll it again. My goal is to make it long para makapag-cut ako ng 25 pieces. I don't think I can get 25 pieces from here, but we'll try it out. Let's see. Okay. As long as this. Okay, and after you cut them into smaller pieces, you try to encircle them. Sometimes I don't do it, sometimes I do. Gusto ko medyo perfect yung magiging shape ng wrapper ko. I would actually do this. Pero pag wala sa mood, pero dahil bini-video ko ang sarili ko at gagawin ko siya for the vlog, yeah, I'm gonna make it this way for you guys. I was able to form them into small circles. You go ahead and drop or sprinkle on your countertop a bit of cornstarch. Yeah, ganyan lang. Konti-konti lang. And then try to sprinkle in here sa workplace mo. And then, itong bilog na to, flat mo lang siya ng ganyan. Sprinklean mo lang ito ng konting cornstarch. And then you're good to roll it. This is not a perfect circle apparently, but it's okay because as soon as you feel na nung meat or yung filling, hindi mo na siya makikita kung perfect ba yung pagkaka-circle niya or what. So, look at this. I'll make some more, guys. Alright, so look at this. It's more perfect, I guess. This is the third piece, guys. Then, this is my fourth piece. And so on and so forth. And if you want to see the final product, I do have it here, guys. Look at this. Okay, so I made these are about more than 50 pieces. And if you can take a look, I'll just get closer for you to see. Look at this. See? Siomai wrapper. There you go.
Okay.
So I hope you learned something from me today. I-try nyo rin siya sa bahay nyo, guys. So thank you for watching and see you again next time. Please like the video, subscribe, click on the bell button to get notified.